Coinbase to the cosmos, mastering withdrawals for crypto adventurers. Ever felt the urge to break free from the centralized exchange nest and explore the vast world of crypto wallets? You've dipped your toes into the crypto pool on Coinbase, accumulated some digital treasures, but now your sights are set on a self-custody adventure. But hold on a minute, how do you actually get your crypto out of Coinbase and into that shiny new wallet you just set up? Fear not, intrepid crypto explorer, because this video will be your guide to mastering withdrawals from Coinbase to another wallet. Before we embark on this journey, let's rewind a bit. Why would you even want to move your crypto out of Coinbase? Well, there are a few reasons. Maybe you're a crypto enthusiast who wants more control over your holdings. Unlike a traditional bank account, a crypto wallet gives you the private keys, essentially the digital keys to your crypto vault. This empowers you to transact directly without relying on a third party. Perhaps you're planning on using decentralized applications, dApps, that require a self-custody wallet. Or maybe you're just a security-conscious individual who wants to take extra precautions. Whatever your reason, understanding how to withdraw from Coinbase is a crucial skill for any crypto adventurer. Now, with the why out of the way, let's delve into the how. With Coinbase, you have two main options for withdrawal: the user-friendly Coinbase Wallet app and the slightly more advanced Coinbase Pro platform. We'll tackle both methods to ensure you're equipped for any situation. Method 1. Coinbase Wallet app, your simple send-off. Think of the Coinbase Wallet app as your personal crypto carrying case. It's a great option for beginners or those who value a streamlined experience. Here's how to use it for withdrawals. Fire up the app. Open the Coinbase Wallet app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're logged in and ready to roll. Choose your crypto chariot. On the main screen, you'll see a list of your crypto holdings. Tap on the specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. The all-important Send button. Once you've selected your crypto, locate the Send button. This might be located on the coin's detail page or tucked away in a menu depending on your device. Destination, freedom. This is where things get interesting. You'll need the receiving address of your new wallet. Don't worry, most wallets will have a clear receive function that displays a unique address specifically for that cryptocurrency. Important note, make sure the receiving address is compatible with the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing. Sending Bitcoin, BTC, to an Ethereum, ETH, address will result in lost funds, so double-check, triple-check, and quadruple-check. Double-check your address. Once you've copied the receiving address, carefully paste it into the designated field in the Coinbase Wallet app. Here's where that extra caution comes in. Take a deep breath and recheck the address for any typos. Sending crypto is like sending a postcard. Once it's gone, it's gone. Amount, away we go. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees associated with the transaction, so factor that into your withdrawal amount. Review and send off. The app will display a summary of your withdrawal, including the receiving address, amount, and network fees. If everything looks good, hit the send button and congratulate yourself. You're one step closer to crypto wallet independence. Method 2. Coinbase Pro for the seasoned crypto captain. Coinbase Pro offers a more advanced trading experience with lower fees compared to the standard Coinbase app. Here's how to handle withdrawals on Coinbase Pro. Set sail for Coinbase Pro. Head over to the Coinbase Pro website and log into your account. Assets ahoy! On the main dashboard, locate the Assets tab. This will display all your crypto holdings on Coinbase Pro. Withdrawal destination. Click on the specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. This will take you to its dedicated page. The withdrawal button beckons. Look for the withdraw button on the cryptocurrency page. It might be located under a trading or accounts section depending on the layout. Address and amount. Similar to the Coinbase Wallet app, you'll need to provide the receiving address of your new wallet and the withdrawal amount. Again, ensure compatibility and double-check that address.